Hello guys. We are in here with the tension problem. So I assembly and doing this one is a little top. Just I want to show you. God help me to explain you very well. This is the top. I take off the top and I take off the lateral face cover here. So it's going to be exposed. This one, this is the only one you really want to move is this little screw here and screw, because this is going the other screw inside. I'm going to show you how assembly that this go like that. I'm going to lose that. Now this is really important. This one come to the play because this way, make sure when you're going to assembly, the two knots go against. There are a spring here, but go like that, and this go in there, like this. Okay? So when you're going to put that, you're going to put in this way. With this way, go in that bar. Here. Okay? So, let's start. First checking if yours is okay, because this can, the white can, was not working. The idea for you test this is working because you take that light in this way. Don't let this one move. This little screw can move. Just going to move the dial. Say we are in 0. This is the one tell me. For that I told you about the white little thing, because when this go there, the stopper is this in the dial. So when go there to the bar, it's in 0. This is the stopper, okay? And suppose there need to be in 0, okay? They like that, and now checking it is working when you move just the dial, not the bar. And when you do that, the disc or the can is coming up. You see how coming? Suppose this is the maximum, it's 9. Now we're going again through 0. And it's hiding again like this. Okay. It doesn't do that. This move with the can, is because something is wrong here. I needed to checking because this is a clip. This one was missing there, so that no working because no made the pressure here. So okay, the really key is this clip. This clip is, you can find in whatever the store, use the construction store, something like that. Clips 3/16 inches. 3/16 inches. Clips E. Okay. there. My husband helped me because I couldn't really put that thing there, but he used the pliers and made sure this screw is outside like that. There no need to be flap over there. It's outside like that. Okay, now if the part is okay, we continue to do. We let the thing in 0, says it's in 0. Okay, they're hiding. Now, we start to put our springs. First one, this is like a comb. The bean circle go against the this. Now there are another spring, is this one, come there. The idea is they go over here as the way how you can let there. So there, the second. Now this one for this side, like that. Now coming this other little spring here, and this go. Remember, the soft part need to be against the other this over there in the machine. Let's go like that. The other spring go, or the other, no, spring is, this is disc, the disc go. One disc go in this side, and the other disc go in the other side, and the two go face to face. The part is no soft, it's like an indentation that go here against like that, and the other go in the other one, go against this middle. Soft part with soft part, okay? And after, you can put your little screw. When you cut that, you can put your little screw over in here. Here. Now I put a tape for no lose my little screw. Is that? We're going to see the second part, how assembly this, and I hope it's working for you. Bye guys, God bless you, and continue. Pray for the world. Bye.